again, Jump Nation, it's your boy here, Rishi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Today I've got an absolute banger of a tutorial for you. It's the one you guys have been requesting for the last month. It is of course the side swing double under move. This is one of my favorite moves right now, guys. It takes a lot of balance, coordination, and most importantly, timing. So this is one of my more advanced tutorials. If you're a beginner, try and go back and see my side swing tutorial and my double under tutorial. If you can master those two moves together, you put them together and then you've got today's move, the side swing double under. Subscribe if you haven't already. This channel is absolutely blowing up. I've been dedicating hours and hours for the last 3 years to make sure that I can get the world skipping like bosses and just doing it the right way, the slick way, and getting the most out of your jump rope workouts. So without further ado, guys, we're gonna get straight into this tutorial with the first point. Let's get it. Peace. So the birds could be a pain for this video. I've got like a jungle of birds behind the camera right now. Hopefully that doesn't put you off and you can hear me all good. So what is the side swing double under and what does it entail? So to master this move, guys, you need to always make sure that your jump rope length is correct and that is optimal to complete this move. This move is a very fast, quick move, so you're gonna make sure that the rope length is not too long for you and not too short for you, because it's either gonna catch on your leg if it's too short, and if it's too long, you're not gonna have the speed you need to complete the side swings and the double under. These birds are killing my tutorial hard today. So the mechanics of the move are as follows. You're gonna skip through the rope. That first jump is gonna be the height of a double under. So now I'm in midair, the rope's coming around me, and I'm then moving to a side swing whilst I'm in midair. The rope's gonna pass now and I land. So that is the double under, because you've then done one revolution underneath you and you've done the side swing before you then touch down. So now I've touched down and I'm gonna move to my other side, my right hand side, and I'm gonna take off just as the rope clips the ground. So it's the timing again of a normal double under. Clips the ground, I take off, and then here I get the double under in and I jump through the rope. And then we continue with the same pattern. Okay, so let's get into the second point to this move, which is actually the entry slash footwork. This move, this is probably one of the most important key parts you guys need to take away from this video. I always say footwork is the king and will make you the king of jump rope. If you get the footwork right, you're already on your way. So I'm gonna take it through nice and slowly. The entry of the move is what's gonna make it look slick. You don't wanna go into the move like kind of erratic and just flying your hands around the place. You're gonna look like a beginner, you're gonna look out of place. Let's do it like this, yeah? So what I tend to do when I go into this move is I go left, right, and then I'm gonna take off into a double under. So I'm gonna show you that again. Skipping, nice and easy. I go left, right, and that's the first movement. Really high jump, staying on the balls of your feet. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take off, and that is where you then start the move. Left, right, and then straight into your side swing. The point you need to always make sure, guys, is that you're on the balls of your feet so that when you land, you're ready to go into your next double under side swing. So if you're out of breath. So if you're gonna wanna try and do this multiple times, string them 1, 2, 3. You need to always be on the balls of your feet. But the entry is so key. Keep it nice and easy. You can also do it however you want. You don't need to do side swings. Maybe you just prefer to go from regular bounce and then you go into your double under and then into your side swing. So you go either to your right or to your left. Get the entry right, guys. That's what's gonna make it look slick. Let's go into point number 3, which is arguably the most important to actually execute this move the right way. Together, this is what's gonna, oh, come on, man. This is what's gonna paint the picture. This is what's gonna deliver. This is what's gonna execute the move. And oh my gosh, it's him. What you really need to do, guys, is when you're now in the takeoff phase, you've got your footwork right, you've got the entry right, you're on the balls of your feet, you're ready to roll. What I want you to do is engage that core. You need to be fast, you need to be coordinated, you need to be balanced. So how are you going to engage your arms to move quickly? And the key is this: you're going to need to embrace and engage your core. Engage that core in, and I want you to basically have a little bit of tilt in your body, and it's going to allow you to have space to actually move your arms across your body to get this move done. If you're too upright here and you're trying to get the move done, you have no room. It's impossible to do it so quickly. When you're up here and you're trying to, and it looks awkward, your arms start becoming straight. And alternatively, there are some people that overcompensate and actually go way too over, and they're really hunched over, doesn't look right, looks awkward, and you look like a beginner. So what I want you to do is just keep yourself upright to a certain extent, but you're just going to tilt your body in slightly. So when you come to doing the move, you are a little bit over, just to give yourself that movement, that space for your arms to work. So that's point number one on that side. The second point is actually speed. Now this is something that I can't really teach you guys, but it's something that I need to point out. If you're going to commit to this move, if you're going to execute it, if you're going to make it look slick, you need to really ramp up your speed in your arms. And that literally means practice, practice, practice. The speed in which you need to jump high and actually commit and execute that side swing is super quick. You can see that I'm getting some serious hang time to give me that time to get my arms from left to right, then to open the rope back out. So it's pretty difficult to teach you speed right now, but one key tip I can give you is by simply pushing the rope around your body, whipping it around, and that's why I really enjoy using speed ropes. I always have. That's why the money rope has no mechanism, because it allows you to have that feel exactly where the rope is in the revolution, where it how the arc is, how the loop is. It's the fact that you have this amazing feel with the rope being attached to the handle, and that's why I love the rope so much. So to get that whip, I want you to really open the rope out. So left, right. So I don't know if you can hear the rope there, you can hear that little whip when I open it up again. So just listen for the sound. Really whip it open. That's going to start the next revolution, and it's going to make sure that you can actually get into that second sort of double under, that side swing, before you land. If you find yourself struggling with this move, trying to piece it all together, I've got a super cool drill that you can do. Won't take you too long to try and practice this, but you're going to just basically start with the rope behind you, elbows facing backwards. I expect you guys to know these techniques, but this is what you're going to do. You're going to literally start from a standing jump, standing position. You're going to get a good revolution, and you're going to go straight into your dominant side. So in my case, I'm going to go straight to my left side swing. So this is what you're going to do. Right? That's all you're going to do. A cool jump, straight into a side swing. I'm going to try and practice that. Get good hang time, and I want you to complete that side swing. I want that side swing revolution to happen before you land. I want you then to go to your other side swing, and you're going to jump on that timing. So listen, I hope you guys are going to subscribe. I hope you guys are going to follow the journey. A lot of tutorials to come. This channel is absolutely blowing up thanks to you. I hope to see you in the next video for more vlogs, more day in the life, more tutorials. Listen guys, without further ado, I love you all. Take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.